So I got this toner cartridge here, and this is the 21-8A. It's a 4-piece set, but it's not 4 cartridges that like you put in after they go bad. It's actually 4 different colors. So you open it up here, and depending on your printer, you might only need to add yellow, or you might need to replace them all at once. It's going to depend on what type of colors you're printing out. But one of the reasons I got this is because I got sick of breaking the bank with always trying to make the brand match the actual printer I had. When I discovered that there's some different brands that actually work just as well, I was super excited. See, and these ones right here, they have the chip. You can actually see it there. And that's one of the biggest reasons you can't usually use the aftermarket or different printer things or cartridges, because they won't match up and the printer will say out of ink or it just won't be compatible. So they have these chips right here that are programmed and it recognizes it, which is super helpful. And I haven't had any issues with these. I mean, it's printer ink, so as long as it prints good and high quality, then that's all I care about. And I definitely recommend these. You're not going to be disappointed.